How to play Minecraft on a school Chromebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your browser on a school Chromebook, then go to the address bar and type this particular link. Make sure that you are typing the correct one. After that, just simply hit enter. Then wait for it to load, and it might take less than 1 minute, so just wait. And after that, type Minecraft on the address bar, but make sure that you are typing it on the lower address bar rather than the upper one. Then this is how it will appear. Then open up the very first link that you see, and this is how it will appear. Let it load and you will be able to open up the official website of Minecraft. Just simply click on this option of get Minecraft in order to download it, and in case if you want to sign in using your account, then just simply click on this option of sign in. This way you would be able to play Minecraft on your school Chromebook, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.